Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to work on the login functionality of the member. So as you can see here that I'm currently present in the setMember.go file, and inside this file you can see that I have done these things previously in my previous video. So the member will enter these details, and after that all the details will be inserted into the MySQL database. So as a result, I wanted to log in also. All right. So what is the process of it? So as you can see that this is the signup.go file, and inside this file I have done these things already. So the token will be generated, the JWT token will be generated, and based on this token, the user can be able to log in. All right. So the same process will be applied in the setMember.go file. So when the credentials of the member will be entered, after that the member can also be logged in. All right. So after that, let's go to the sign up. First of all, what I need to do, I need to copy this variable, and I will name it like member login token like this. And after that, as you can see that this is the login token, so I will name it like member login token. So basically this is the login token of the admin or the user that who will sign up for the first time, and this is the login token of the member. All right. So based on this token, the member will be able to log in. So let's apply this member login token here, like and length member login token. So member login token, if this token is also equal to 0. So if login token and the member login token is equal to 0, if the length of them are equal to 0, then in that case it will allow me to log in. Otherwise it will give me an error that hey, you need to first of all log out to set up the member credentials. All right. So if it is filled with some kind of data, then it will not allow me to log in. Instead it will give me this message. All right. So let's write what you can say, go to the signup.go file, and let's copy this token string, that is the JWT token, so that I have discussed in my previous video. So let's copy this, paste it here, and now let's paste the curly braces and write the else statement. Print line errors new, and then failure in setting up a member like this. All right. So now you can see that if the token is generated, then in that case the user will be logged in. But if the token is not generated, then it will give me this message that hey, failure in setting up a member. So what I will do, I will use this token string also, because this token string is not used. So let's go to the signup.go file, and inside this file you can see that this is the set account info that will basically store the token inside the Redis database. So let's write it here like this. All right. So by writing the login token instead of it, I will write member login token, because this login token was already saved in the Redis database. So now what I need to do, I will save this member login token inside the Redis database, and this is the get account info. Basically this will get the member login token from the Redis database, and this will set it. And after getting the member login token, I can use it, I can call it in order to log in. All right. So this is the process. So I have first of all what you can say the setup, and after that, once it is set up, it will get the member login token for me, and based on this member login token I can easily log in. So let's copy this again and paste it one more time and write member account name like this. And once it is done, I will write the member account name. So this member account name will be used in the status.go file. Basically I will show this account name of the user also, that which user is logged in, or either the member is logged in or either the admin is logged in. So in this case I'm using the member account name so that I can use it here in the status.go file. So I will be using this in this video later on. So just wait for it. All right. So all the process is done in this file. So now let's go to the signup.go file, and inside this file, let's go to the logger.go file, because I don't need to work on this signup.go file. I just show you that how these credentials of the signup.go file will be used in the setMember.go file. So let's write what you can say. Let's call the login token, because I need to get the login token also here so that I can delete it. All right. So in order to log out, so let's write member login token like this. So this member login token will be fetched. So let's write member login token, and once it is fetched, I will take this member login token and I will use it here like this. And length of member login token is not equal to 0. Alright, so if any one of this, either the member login token or either the admin login token is filled with some kind of data, then in that case, if it is not equal to 0, if it is filled with some kind of data, then what it will do, it will give me the message that you want to log out or not. If it is not filled with some kind of data, if it is empty, then it will give me this message that, hey, you are already logged out, so you need to log in order to fill this data. Alright, so this is the condition that I have put it here. Previously it was for the admin, but now it is for the member also. If any one of them is filled with some kind of data, then it will run this script, or otherwise it will give me this message. Alright. So now let's go to the copy this one and paste it here. So basically, once the user will click on the logout, yes, and after that the member login token or the login token of the admin will be deleted. Any one of this will be deleted. If the admin has logged in, then in that case the member admin login token will be deleted. If the member has logged in, then in that case the member login token will be deleted. Alright, so it is dependent on the admin or the member. So if one of them is logged in, then in that case the token will be deleted according to that, according to the data that is present in the Redis database. Alright, so let's save this and go to the status of Go file. And inside this file, you can see that I'm going to set up a status for the admin and the and the member. So what I will do, I will first of all delete this else statement, and once it is done, inside this after that I will put another if statement. One is for the admin and another is for the member. So now let's leave it as it is, because this is for the admin user only. So I will put the Redis delete token, and inside this I will write member login token like this. So why I have written this? Basically, if the admin has logged in, then in that case the admin account name will be shown up and the member login token will be deleted, because when the admin will logged in, then in that case I don't need the member login token. Instead I just need the admin login token. So but if this is not the case, let's say if the member has logged in, so what I will do, if the member, let's write member login token, and let's write member login token, and once it is done, let's write Redis delete token and write what you can say member login token. Alright, so let's write it like this. Use this variable member login token. So basically, if the member has logged in, then in that case the admin login token will be deleted. Alright, so because I don't need the admin login token because the member is logged in, so in that case the one token will be generated. Alright, so let's write member account name, because I need the member account name instead of the admin account name. So this is the point that you need to keep in mind. Alright, so for the member I need a member account name, for the what you can say for the admin I need a admin account name, and the login token or the or member login token or the admin login token will be deleted. So I hope you understood. Let's return the statement also. So like this, and now I hope it will work. Go install. Let's open the what you can say MySQL root p. Let's give it a password. Use Proctl, select from members. Now you can see that this is the data of the member, so I need to delete this drop table. What you can say drop table means members. Alright, so now there is no member table that is present. So now let's go to the terminal and write proctl. And now let's write what you can say, status. First of all, check the status. Vanes is logged in. So now let's write proctl invite mem. So invite mem, I will give the Vanes tree account. Alright, so now this member will be invited. After invitation, I will check the member, I will enter the code, and after that I will work on this set member.go file. So now the first step is done. Let's go to the Vanes tree. So why it is taking so much time? Invite mem Vanes tree@gmail.com. It should not take that much time. Alright, so now it is done. So let's copy this, and after copying it, let's go to the proctl check. Alright, email Vanes tree. Now first log out to check the invitation. So let's log out proctl. Now I'm logged out, and now let's check the state invitation code. Now your account is successfully verified. So let's, as you can see here, that this is the data that is present here. So all the data are not present because just the email address is inserted. So what I will do, I will, what you can say, clear this, and now let's write set mem, because this is the function that I'm going to work in it. So set mem, alright, set mem, and now let's write email Vanes tree and Vanes tree, and let's write password 1122, and let's write account name is going to be, let's say, Vanes. All right, I can put other details also like the location, phone number, but I'm not going to write it. So if I, let's say, title or the phone number, for phone number it is S maybe, so phone number N, sorry, phone number N, like this. All right, so the member credentials are successfully updated. Let me just show you. As you can see here, that this is the password, this is the account names, this is the phones. So let's write proctl status. Now you can see that the hello is logged in, although it should work in opposite way. I don't know why it is giving me the hello is logged in. So although the account name is Vanes, so it should show me the Vanes instead of hello. So let's check me out. Alright, so I have finally found the problem, and the problem was here. As you can see here, that this is the account spelling mistake that I did. So basically it should not be ACOC, instead it should be ACCOU, like this, account name. Alright, so this was a problem that I did, and this account name is the same. So let's save this, and now let's write go install let's clear this and write the state, what you can say, this is a set mem, and instead of writing Vanes, if let's say I write tree this time. All right, so let's as you can see that the member credentials are successfully updated. So as you can see that previously it was Vanes, so if I show you, this is now changed to tree. So let's write proctl status. Now this time, as you can see that this is now tree, not Vanes. So let's try one more time. So let's log out, and now this time if I write, let's say Bilal. All right, Bilal, this is the account name. So now let's write proctl. As you can see, Bilal is logged in. So let's show you. As you can see that this is Bilal is logged in. So I will work on this password and other stuff in the upcoming video. Basically this will just show you the sign up process from the signup.go file that I have shown you. So I will work on the login functionality also, because I don't want to put all the account names, full name, password, phone number every time. Instead, I just want to enter the email and the password, and based on this email and password the user will be logged in, and these are the account names, so I don't want to enter them in the login credentials. All right, so I hope you understood. So now let's write git add git commit m, and now let's write what you can say, added the sign up functionality to member, like this. All right, or what you can say, let's member, this will be fine. So don't care about the message. So git push origin master. Go to the repository and refresh this. As you can see, 59 commits. Added the signup functionality to member. So I hope you understood and liked this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.